Hi, welcome back to the Praxis Test Prep channel. My name is Tasia. I'm a former high school biology teacher, and today I'm going to be walking you through some practice problems for the Praxis 5017 exam. That is science curriculum. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so question 1. The science teachers and social studies teachers of a district school are planning to have a collaborative activity for their grade 4 students. Which of the following is the best way to raise students' awareness of human activity's impact on the environment? I think with a lot of these answers, there's an indirect correlation between science and social studies, so we really have to focus on a direct correlation between the two of them. So a diorama depicting early civilizations and their way of life mainly has a social studies impact. If we look at the next one, a field trip to a car manufacturing plant indirectly correlates. We really want something that's very obvious to the grade 4 students. An exhibit of how dumping industrial waste in the rivers affects aquatic life. This has a direct example. It's a direct example and a direct correlation. The last one, a presentation about the evolution of technology. Again, that could be very indirect. So we want to pick the most direct example, which is C. Okay, question 2. Which of the following activities would best introduce the idea of phase changes to second graders? So let's remind ourselves what phase changes are. That's when matter is changed from a gas to a solid, a liquid to a solid, a plasma to a gas. It's just where your matter is actually changing from one state into another. So when we're looking at all of our options that we have, there is really only one that is actually a phase change. So the first one is not a phase change, neither is the second one. But heating a piece of ice until it melts and boils, so a solid to a liquid, that is a phase change. And that is developmentally appropriate for a second grader as well. So finding leaves that are changing colors, not a phase change, the leaf stays the same. So our answer is C. All right, last question. What is the term used to describe approaches educators take to provide meaningful grade level experiences? I think our key words here are meaningful and specifically grade level experiences. So with B, these are the basics, so foundational approach, these are the basics. C, modeling or demonstrating for your students. Socratic method, those Socratic seminars, all of these can be incorporated into teaching, but they don't necessarily provide grade level experiences. So the one that's the most correct would be A, developmentally appropriate practices to get those grade level experiences. I hope this was helpful. If you're looking for more ways to study, head over to study.com to check out our other videos and our Praxis Test Prep course. As a study.com member, you get access to hundreds of practice problems, like the ones I just walked you through, as well as targeted instruction for some topics you might still be struggling with, along with some test-taking strategies to help you maximize your score on test day. Finally, we want to hear from you. Please like and subscribe if today's video was helpful. Also, in the comments down below, please let us know if there's any topics you'd like us to cover next. Good luck and happy studying!